everyone, and welcome back to another video with DIYs by Carolina. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I transformed these vases to give them a ceramic aged appearance. So I hope you guys are excited about this video, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the first vase that I'm going to be working on today, and what I'm doing right now is spray painting it with the Rust-Oleum Ultra Matte Black spray paint, and this is just to give it a base color to work from. And so I'm going to only be using 3 colors on this vase. So the first one is the Rust-Oleum, and then I'm also going to be using the Waverly Mineral as well as the color Truffle. So one of the key elements to making your vessel look aged is you want to water down the paint. So you'll notice that I sprayed some water in the paint as well as on the sponge. And this is just going to not have your paint so crisp looking. It's just going to give it a little bit more of an aged appearance. So first I'm starting off with the Waverly Mineral color. And I'm just going to kind of dab that all over the vessel. And now I'm going to actually go in with the color Truffle. So for vase number 2, I'm actually spraying it with a chalk paint in the color Classic White. So once I get that base, that neutral base that I want to work from, then I'll go back and start working in my other colors to give it that rustic ceramic aged look. Okay guys, so you'll notice that I'm doing a little technique here, and this is just to kind of give the vase a little bit more texture. Of course, it already has some textures with the lines that were already inside the vase, but it just wasn't where I needed it to be in order to give it that aged appearance. So that's why I'm going over and just adding a little bit more texture, because I really don't want a smooth surface. So you guys will also notice how I'm making sure to highlight those lines that are already in the vase, because I want to also make that a part of the aged appearance on this vase. So as you can see here, I'm making sure to highlight those lines in the vase, and I'm actually using the color matte black to do that. And of course, I'm going over the vase with the sponge using the color Mineral by the brand Waverly. So if at any point you feel like you've applied too much color and it's too dark or too heavy, always remember that you can go back over it by spraying your sponge with some water or a paper towel and just kind of dabbing back over it to kind of lighten the color a little bit. So guys, this vase was a lot of fun to work with. One of the things that I noticed when I was doing my research and looking at different tutorials was that a lot of people, they actually use like some type of baking soda or some type of powder in the paint to give it a textured look. And maybe I guess a textured feel. But I wanted to give it a textured look with a smooth feel. So I wanted it to be smooth to the touch, but look like it was textured. So I really think I accomplished that with the different techniques that I use while painting this particular vase. So to look at the surface of this vase, it looks like it's very rough to the touch, but it's actually extremely smooth. It just has a really, really nice texture appearance. I want to take a moment to say welcome if you are new to this channel. My name is Carolina, and if this is the type of content that you find interesting, then I would love to have you join my family of subscribers. And of course, as always, to my existing subscribers, welcome back, you guys. I do want to share with you that this video was actually meant to go out this past Sunday. However, This particular vase took forever to dry. So as you can see here, I'm spackling this entire vase, and in order to figure out when it's completely dry, the spackling will turn completely white. Well, it didn't officially turn white until today, which is Tuesday. Okay, so this is the reason why I'm posting this particular video so late. But I hope you guys enjoy it and get inspired to try this yourself. So one of the things I definitely wanted to do with this particular vase was to give it a lot of texture. So it already has some texture with me adding the spackling to the vase, but I wanted to take it, just a step further. So as you can see here, I have my pick and I'm just basically running lines all around the entire vase. I really feel like these lines in the vase gives the vase a ton of character, and that's exactly what I was aiming for. I will have links to all the paint colors in the description for each individual vase. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and took away some inspiration for yourself. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. And as always, I would love to have you join my family of subscribers. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.